So excuse the mess in the shop today, but this was going to be our duct tape drags car. Obviously it did not get quite as far along as we would have liked, so it does not appear it's gonna make it. We made that determination about 2 weeks ago. So next up we had the little 318 that was sitting in the 66 Coronet, and unfortunately it started blowing the dipstick out of the dipstick tube and running real rough, as well as smoking really bad. So that was not going to be an alternative, so it got pulled out. And then we've got the Coronet. So with all the issues with that, rear brake lines leaking, the engine problems, we decided it needed a little bit of a facelift. So we rebuilt this 440 that was originally going to go into the Roadrunner, and it is now in the Coronet, running, driving, and ready to go to duct tape drags. Been a long road to get here. Car's all cleaned up. Engine runs good, nice and cool. Unfortunately, the exhaust is pretty rotten. But she fires up and runs like a top. And yeah, since we had a little brief view of it, that is what is left of the Roadkill or Roadrunner. We called it the C-Body Roadrunner. Check out Chris Birdsong's channel where he cut up the pieces that he needed. Obviously, we really got to do something with the exhaust. It hangs way too low, looks really stupid, but it sounds good. There we are. Tomorrow we leave. Duct tape drags.